In this hot rod road trip, we're going to go to Florida. We're going to check out this cool little car, maybe come home with it. We're going to stop by Boxcar's Garage, a YouTuber, see what Larry's up to in his 34 Ford. Then we're going to jump in the little 32 Roadster pickup truck and head on over to Foley, Alabama to one of the country's coolest cruise-ins at Cheeseburger Randy's. Let's go. Welcome to Orange Beach, Alabama, guys. We have got a fun adventure today. We are set out to head over to Crestview, Florida, and we are going to check out a T-bucket with a friend of mine. We're going to carry his truck over there, and he is going to do some horse trading his truck with the T-bucket. I'm not sure we're coming home with his truck or a T-bucket. But let's get this day started. We're going to drop by Boxcar's Garage and see what Larry's up to out in the shop working on that 34 Ford. Woo! We got a long ways to go and a short time to get there. After that, we're going to go to Cheeseburger Randy's tonight to one of the coolest cruise-ins in Alabama. All right, we got this cool little C10 loaded up. Now let's go hunting for a hot ride. We've only got a couple hours to go. Greg's got a nice truck. Now I'm going to stay out of the dealing. I'm not sure exactly how the deal's going to go down, but that's up between these two men because one wants one and the other one wants one. So they're each going to have a red truck at the end of the day. This is the one we brought with us. It was a nice drive heading over to Crestview, Florida, and look at some of the cool stuff you see. Now this is the little T-bucket that Greg's looking for. There's changes in the plans. One of them is to try to figure out how to get in the car. Greg's taking his first test ride and then possibly a test drive, and then it's up to these boys right here on what kind of deal they hash out. But I'm excited for both of them. We got to meet a new friend that possibly might be a C10 owner, and we take a C10 owner and we turn him possibly into a hot ride. There he goes. He's on his first ride. Now Greg, he's never owned a hot rod, never even thought about having a hot rod. But man, when you wake up sometimes and you just want to change some stuff around, hey, there ain't no better way to do it. Change it around with a hot rod. Now, I do like Greg's truck. If I had the money, I'd probably just buy it from him and let him buy the hot rod. But I need another car like I need a hole in the head. Well, I can hear him coming back now from around the block. I heard some screeching of some rubber tires. And there it is. They're inside the garage right now, kind of hashing through the details. Yep, it's got the personality of the last owner. But when Greg gets through with it, it's going to have his personality. Every hot rider's got to start with something cool and make it their own, and that's what he has plans on. There's a little fella right there that's owned this car. He may have bought it new. I don't know. But no, it is a cool little 23T, and I tell you what, I wish I had a hold of this steering wheel and he didn't, because this cat right here is like a mouse trying to outrun a cat. Here they come. We're going to see if he's got a smile on his face or not. Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned to the video to see how this story ends. But hey, there's something on the trailer. I'm not going to tell you what just yet. Don't fast forward it because we're fixing to stop by Boxcar's Garage. Yes, sir. You may already be following him on YouTube. He's a good friend of mine. We're going to go see what Larry's up to. Last time I was here, we were just getting ready to lift the body off. Where's Larry's got this thing at now?
Larry!
Let's see if we can't find the old boy.
Honey, I'm home.
Man, this guy is, he's in here pretending like he's working. Now, Larry, he wasn't going to let me see what he was working on until he said he hid the welds from me. Oh, Larry now. I'd probably ride in something that he welded on. But I'm going to let him do his grinding. And then we're going to check out some of the stuff in his shop. Let me see if I can't dig up a video or two of what Larry's car looked like before he got started on this cool 1934 5-window coupe. Larry's got all kinds of neat stuff laying around. He tries to save them all. He's got some plans for this one. What do you think he should do with it? A gasser? Demolition car? Yard art? Knowing Larry, he may turn it into a submarine. Now, Larry's 34 started life, of course, as a 34, but it ended somewhere in the mid-60s as a drag car. That's what Larry's goal is to get it back looking like it did in the 60s as a cool hot rod drag car.
This room's a wreck.
A lot of cool stuff. Man, what a tour, guys. It's really, really neat. He's got a lot of neat stuff going on. If you're into hot rods, you're into saving them, into learning about cool stuff, you get through watching my junk, cruise on over to Boxcar Garage. See what Larry's got to offer you.
Mike's giving me a lot of pointers. I'm asking lots of questions. What would you do here? What would you do there? And because a lot of times you really just need somebody to collaborate with on pulling something together. And I'm a little long in the tooth as far as age, but I'm really just kind of getting started at this hot rod thing. And there's a lot that I haven't done, and it's always nice to have a community, and it's nice to have guys like Mike that's willing to spend time with educating somebody starting out.
Yeah, I love it. I love it. I drove across 4 states just to get here. Man, he loves swap meets. He loves finding the deals, and he loves turning that deal into a little bit of cash. With a little bit of cash, he turns it into a car. He fixes that car up for somebody else, only to come up with enough to buy his dream car. And here it is right here, guys.
Got luck here that is hopefully going with Mike. He is the man with the plan when it comes to louvers, and we're thinking that a louvered hood would be awesome on that 34. So if I can talk him into it, I'm going to try to send him home with this hood, and we're going to get some louver stamped in it, and we're going to run this as it is on that Survivor hot rod.
That's going to look cool.
Yep.
Can't wait to do that project. So
yeah, so that'll be a video in the future. But
man, that was a great day hanging out with my buddy Greg, working a hot rod deal, stopping by Larry's Boxcar's Garage. Now we are headed to Foley, Alabama to meet up with some friends at one of the coolest cruise nights in the country. Wait till we get there and see what I see. We're going to eat a delicious cheeseburger, some french fries, and some delicious southern sweet tea. What a way to end the night. I can't wait to see my coastal buddies, catch up with them. It's been a few weeks, and I cannot wait to get a delicious cheeseburger from Cheeseburger Randy's in Foley, Alabama. Wish you guys were here.
looks like it could be yours. I'm a sucker for Pro Street. I still got my Pro Street card from high school.
What is it?
It's right. Yeah, I go to an event in Oklahoma called The Rock, and so it all depends on how that weekend went, what's cooking up. I feel like coming down, but yeah, cruising the coast, probably.
So pour it up hot, let the engine sing another first Saturday. Do that same old thing from Impalas to Pontiacs, we all align. Wasting gas can rise, baby, right on time.
That's what we need. Put white walls on it and air ride.
Sun going down, salt in the air, lime all around, wind in her hair. Said just one more laugh like a kid. Neon in the backyard, summer nights got a dangerous taste.
Facebook channel. Goes to all the different car shows and stuff. I think he's out of Mobile or something.
Are you still going to be down here for a little bit, for a while?
Well, I mean, I'm here. Guys having fun? Hot Rod Day with my buddy Greg Warren. All right, Greg's got a YouTube channel. Links in the description. We have put him in the hot rod category now, so check him out. Check out all his cool videos of coastal content. All right, but what a day we've had. We have went to Boxcar Larry's. We've checked out his build. We have made a road trip and swapped some cars. And now we're at Cheeseburger Randy's that you just got to see. So Greg, welcome to the Hot Rod game, buddy. And man, what a beautiful car. And he's gonna have fun with it. So check out his channel, links in the description, and see who is sitting in this car. You won't believe it. Big surprise. See you guys in the next episode. Now get out in the garage to go build something. I'm out of here. She's learning how to get in. I want to see her when she comes out.
Yeah, now get out of it. Yes, you gotta show. Here it comes. I don't think that method's gonna work. Oh, it might.
All right, she's gonna take the mirror off. All right.
You'll never be able to do it again the same way.
It's left foot first.
Now me, I'm the one.
All right, guys, enjoy your new hot rod.
Appreciate it, man.
You're welcome. You guys be careful.
Nothing behind us.
This is where we added the bloopers.
Look at this leg. There we go.
See you guys.